Now we have the lesson square root. When you hear this word square root, tell me what comes into your mind. Here, actually, what you do is finding the root number that got squared. Again, finding the root number that got squared. For instance, let's say this is known as a surd. Or we learn this as surd when we go to grade 10 and 11. But for the time being, what do you call this? You call this what to say? Square root. Now the question is, I'm asking from you, unmute your mic and tell me, what is the square root of 100? Tell me. What is the square root of 100? Unmute your mic and tell the answer, please. Huda, unmute your mic. What is the square root of 100? Basically, it is 10. What you should understand is that 10 squared, how do you say this? 10 squared is 100. What do you mean by saying 10 squared? 10 is multiplied by 10, and that is how you get the answer as 100. So my objective of having a square root at 100, mage avashyata tamai finding the root number that got squared. Now you see that root of 100 is 10. 10 squared is 100, which means that 10 multiplied by 10 is what? 100. Therefore, square root of 100 is what? 10 to the power 2 whole thing rooted, which is 10. Then actually, this particular part is not that needed for you guys. But you don't want this. But you should know what happens. Right? Now tell me, let's look at some more examples. What is square root of 4? What same number has multiplied by itself to give you 4? What number has multiplied by itself to give you 4?
Multiplied by 2.
Huh?
2 multiplied by 2.
Very good. When it is 2 multiplied by 2, what is it? 2 squared. Now, 4 is equal to 2 squared. So, square root is what now? 2. Am I clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Finding the root number that got squared. This is what we have in hand today. Okay? This is what you're going to learn. Take this down. Now, when speaking of square roots, first we should understand what square terms are. 1 squared 1, 2 squared 4, 3 squared 9, 4 squared 16, 5 squared 25, 6 squared 36, 7 squared 49, 8 squared 64, 9 squared 81, 10 squared 100, 11 squared 121, 30 squared 169, 40 squared 196. Likewise, we can keep on getting the answers. Now, what's most important is that by joining square terms, we can get another square term. This is later on introduced as Pythagoras theorem as well. But now let's see today. I'm saying 3 squared plus 4 squared is 5 squared. Let's see whether these numbers add up. What is 3 squared? 9 plus 16 is 25. Are we clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next we have 4 squared. No, 8 squared plus 6 squared is 10 squared. That is 64 plus 36 is 100. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Some other ones are there which involves larger numbers. Right? We'll see whether there's any other numbers that we have. Can you think of any other numbers? Yes, we have 5 squared plus 12 squared is 13 squared. That is what? 25 plus 144 is 169 in that manner. Am I clear? Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have understood this. Perfect. Now, if you now when speaking of these odd numbers, if you speak of these square terms, if we add consecutive odd numbers, we will get a square term. We will get a what? Square term. What are consecutive odd numbers today? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, likewise. Now if we add 1 and 3, what do I get? 4. What is 4? 4 is 2 square. Understood? Next we have 1 plus 3 plus 5. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 and 5, 9. What is 9 Putar? 3 square. Let's add the other one. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. That is 1 plus 3, 4. 4 and 5, 9. 9 and 7, 16, which is 4 square. Right. Further moving forward, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 and 5, 9. 9 and 7, 16. 16 and 9 is what? 25, which is 5 square. When you add the consecutive odd numbers, ඒ කියන්නේ එක දිගට තියෙන ඔත්තේ සංඛ්‍යා එකට එකක් when you add them up, this is what you will get. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Take down, please. Let's try to understand the pattern in the units place or the digits place or ones place, whatever you call it. 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. 5 squared is 25. 6 squared is 36. 7 squared is 49. 8 squared is 64. 9 squared is 81. 10 squared is 100. 11 squared 121. Now tell me, Buddha, what is 12 squared? Do the calculation and tell. Even you have it there. What is 12 squared?
What's it?
What is 12 squared? 12 into 12. Here. 144. What is 13 squared? 169. 14 squared? 196. 15 squared? What is it? What is 15 squared? Again. 225. What is 16 squared? 256. What is 17 squared? 289. 18 squared? 324. 19 squared? 361. and basically 20 squared is what? 400. Now we should be able to understand some things when looking at the sum. What is it? If the number that is squared ends with 1, it is 1. Again, if it ends with 1, the square is also 1. 1 squared is what? 1. Now let's look at 11 squared ends with the 1. The final number is what? 1.
Yes, sir.
If it is a 0, it ends with the what? 0. 0, it ends with a 0. 1, it ends with a 1. If it is 2, let's look at this. 2, it ends with a 4. Even 12, let's see. 12, it ends with a 4. 2, it ends with a 4. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
3, 3, it ends with a 9. Even 13, where are 13? 3, it ends with a 9. 4, what does 4 end with a? 6. Where is 14 now? 6. 5, 5 ends with a 5. 15 is also what? 5. 6, look at this. 6 also ends with a 6. Therefore, we say that if it is a 4 or a 6, the square term ends with a what? 6. 6, right? 6. What about 7? 7 also ends with a 9. Even 17, that is 17 now, 9. 7 ends with a 9. 8 ends with a 4. 8 ends with a 4. What is 18 squared? 24. So 8 also ends with a 4. Did I make myself clear? Whatever number, right? If the last number ends with the 1, the square number will also end with the 1. Let's take a random 2-digit number. Let's take 57 times 57. If it is 57 times 57, the last number is what? This is basically 57 square. Last number is what? 7. And the square number should end with a what?
9.
9. Balamu? 57 times 57. 49, 35, 39, 35, 28. 9, 14, 1. Look at that. 3249. Did it end with a 9? Yes, it did. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now we'll think of a 3-digit number. 100 and no 406 into 406, basically 406 square. So with what number should it end? It should end with a 6 because the last number is 6. 406 times 406. 36, 3, 3, 24, 0, 0, 0, 24, 4, 2, 2, 16. They are in 6, 3, 8, 4, 6, 1. Look at that. The final answer is what now? 6. Are we clear with what we have in hand, Muta?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear? Tell me the truth.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Are we clear? Understood, no? Right. Take this down now. From 1 squared up to 12 squared, you should write it. Make history 13 squared, 40 squared, multiple. Okay?